blue door house, a residence that blends history and modernity, evokes a warm and inspiring atmosphere. The striking blue door at the front of the house is not just an aesthetic choice. This bold blue color symbolizes hope and transformation, an invitation to start a new chapter with optimism. Let's explore how this renovation breathes new life into the home's original character while adding a stunning contemporary touch. The exposed brick structure, characteristic of this house, became the starting point for the renovation design. The interventions were minimal, aimed at preserving the building's original identity. The brick walls were coated with white paint to brighten the space and emphasize the texture. This color choice provides a modern touch that highlights the home's authentic character. During the renovation, a unique element was discovered hidden under previous layers: a concrete pillar. This pillar is now an important feature in the new design, combined with custom-designed hanging furniture. This combination not only preserves the historical trace of the house, but also enriches its architectural appeal with a captivating element. The existing natural stone and wood flooring was also restored, showcasing the beauty of the original materials, adding a rustic and warm feel. One of the main strategies of the renovation was creating large openings to enhance the integration of spaces and improve natural lighting and ventilation. Large glass windows and doors were installed, allowing optimal sunlight to enter, creating a sense of spaciousness and a strong connection to the outdoors. The textural touches of elements such as the exposed brick, combined with the bright new finishes, create a harmonious sensory dimension, crafting a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. Every element in this space is designed to provide comfort and warmth for anyone who enters this home. On the roof, the renovation introduced a garden featuring a 20-year-old bougainvillea tree. With its twisted trunks and lush canopy, the tree provides natural shade and creates the perfect gathering spot for the family. Its presence is like a living sculpture, completing the atmosphere and becoming the focal point for socializing and celebrations. Throughout this renovation, it became evident that each wall has its own story, bearing witness to many experiences that have occurred within it. For this reason, every element that makes up this house is valued, preserving its historical significance while leaving room for new memories. This renovation successfully transformed the house into a home that unites history and modern needs, creating an inspiring and comfortable space where everyone feels welcome. At its core, good architecture is a reflection of the needs and desires of the people who inhabit it. Designing for people means creating environments that promote connection, comfort, and well-being. By integrating elements that honor the history and uniqueness of each home, it's not just about building structures. It's about creating homes full of meaning and warmth.